23rd, 2001. You deserve to be locked away for the rest of your life and never be allowed to prey upon another person again. I want you to know that I can forgive your sickness, but I will never forgive you. You have had plenty of therapy to learn how to control your sickness, but you have chosen not to. That is something you have to ask God to forgive you for. I could go on days what I hope happens to you in prison, but I refuse to leave here with any negative emotion attached to this crime. Today I'm going to end this by taking back the night that was taken from me on August 23rd, 2001. I plan on using this experience to encourage all victims to speak out. May we stay silent no more. I will leave here today surrounded by love and rejoice in getting the justice I have deserved for the past 13 and a half years. Thank you.
After the year 2000, Your Honor, this defendant had 6 cases involving sexual or physical violations against women, including multiple sexual offenses, multiple cases of voyeurism, abduction, and domestic violence. Again, what he's consistently demonstrating is that even after multiple opportunities for treatment, Your Honor, dating back 29 years, this defendant continues to violate women in our society. 13 prior cases, 27 individual charges. And Your Honor, this particular case involving Jennifer Borrelli is more than a mere violation of the law. Your Honor, this defendant brutally attacked, raped, struck, and hog-tied an innocent female, a stranger to him, in her own home with her 4-year-old son sleeping upstairs. State of Ohio asserts that that's one of the most gut-wrenchingly frightening things that can happen to a female.
Your Honor, beginning to say I'm sorry doesn't mean to begin to answer how I truly feel in my heart. I have carried this burden for many years. I thought about this night over and over. And there was times in my life during my incarceration where I honestly couldn't even look at myself in the mirror. I just had hated what I had did to my life, what I had did to my family, what I especially had did to my victims. Beginning to say I'm sorry, can't even tell how I feel in my heart, but I am. I am truly sorry. I had no right to do the things that I did that night. No right whatsoever. No right whatsoever. And you were right. You did not ask for that to happen to you. You did not. I don't want to look at you as being a victim. I want to look at you as being a survivor. I want to look at you as being a winner. And I pray that you would just be able to go on with your life. And that you would just be so successful in your life. And that someday that you will be able to forgive me.